let's see here. These are the Fender extensions, and these are the extended fender flares. So these come stock on it, but they only come out to here. So, you know, you can see that right here, it's not even coming out to where the tire would be. So I didn't even know that Can-Am made these factory. I bought an aftermarket pair made by RokBloKZ, which I had on here for a little bit, and they looked terrible. They didn't work great. I sent them back to RokBloKZ and tried to get my money back because a couple of the brackets even broke with mud on them, but they wouldn't give me my money back, so I just went and bought Can-Am ones when I actually figured it out. So this here is all part of the extended fender flare part. So you can kind of see it makes a huge difference for mud. Anything, you know, it'd just sling mud inside, we'd get covered inside the cab.